The first step to resetting your oil life sensor in a Toyota Sienna is you're going to put your key in the ignition and move it 2 clicks to the on position, but you're not turning the engine on. Once your dash comes on, you're going to scroll using your left little pin here and select Trip A. Then we're going to press and hold Trip A, and we are going to turn the car off and then turn it back on 2 clicks. And I'll show you what it looks like on the screen. All right, so I'm holding in the button on Trip A. I'm going to turn the car off 2 clicks. And while still holding the selector, I'm going to turn the car back on 2 clicks. And you see your resetting oil maintenance data. Once it's complete, you can go ahead and let go of the button. And as you can see here, when we started up, we got rid of our maintenance lights that were over on the right side right here. And that's how you reset your oil life on a 2011 Toyota Sienna.